Today, you will learn about a crystal that helps ease anxiety, fear, and depression. Did you know that anxiety crystals can be good alternatives to fight one of the diseases of this age? Have you ever heard about the power of crystals? They are much more than just colorful rocks. These minerals are known for their therapeutic and energetic properties that go beyond mysticism. Every crystal has a system called crystalline, which designs the arrangement of atoms or molecules in each of these minerals. This is what allows the crystals to emanate, but also absorb energy, differently from other rocks. That's interesting, isn't it? According to a 2017 survey from the World Health Organization, WHO, in the last 10 years, there has been a significant increase in the number of people who suffer from depression and anxiety in all the world. According to WHO, around 6.3% of the United States population suffers from anxiety, being more common in women. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. The question that comes to mind when we see this number is, what can we do to deal with anxiety naturally? The answer might be simpler and much more accessible than you thought. Green quartz. It acts in anxiety, fear, and depression, working as an energy amplifier. Associated with green lightning, the color of cure, it is usually related to emotional and physical health processes. Green quartz provides not only emotional healing, but also physical, since it transmits its healing power to the cells and strengthens the general health. Besides, it brings vitality to our days and allows us to leave behind the anxiety that hinders our routines. Since it is a crystal related to the heart chakra, we can use it in pendants or positioning it over our hearts during meditation. You can place green quartz next to your bed to act in your energetic body during sleep. If you suffer from anxiety, depression, or fear and are looking for a cure, start using green quartz to bring more energy and health to your life. Try it, then share your opinion with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.